Hey everyone, Jesse Crypto Backer here, back at you with another video. Now, does anyone use BetterHash? I signed up for it about a week ago. And got all signed up. Logged into the account. I mined with it a little bit. This is just the website. You can see your mining rigs and everything from here. It's a very nice setup, clean looking website. Bitcoin's over 8,000 again. I don't know what exchange they use to get their rates. Looks like you got your own built-in wallet for each individual coin that they do mine. Go back to this here. So, you do have to download the app. It will download the miners individually. As soon as you launch the app, miners go in. Fortunately, they use XMRig for CPU mining. Not the best hash rates with that. I already ran the benchmarks, that's where I got my balances from, but $28 a month. So far 90 cents a day. And in here I found a good list of miners they have. You know, not very many. Claymore. I don't think Z Enemy is the best miner for Ravencoin. And then I wish they used XMR Stack. Much cleaner setup than NiceHash. You can monitor your ASIC miners through this program. You can set it up to not run between certain hours. Kind of a nice feature. I don't know what this is about, but it's checked, so. It does not convert to BTC for you, so you get to keep your coin that you're mining. Said before, using this I was getting 32 mega hash. Now I can't get it to go over 31 and a half. I don't know what is going on. Okay, looking into this website more, looks like they pay you by shares. One feature that a lot of these programs lack is the ability to turn off an individual miner. Like I like to be able to go in here and, you know, uncheck it, you know, turn it off, leave my GPU miner going, pause the CPU miner, but fortunately in this program, go through here, apply it, see, then it'll restart everything. I don't get why it has to do that. I don't want it to use my CPU right now. And I noticed NiceHash is like that too. You can't just uncheck a box and it stops the miner for that individual, you know, component. But hopefully it's something someone can develop someday. I know you can do it on Awesome Miner, so there it goes. But there you have it, guys, just a quick overview, a short little look at BetterHash. Now I will be uploading a video shortly. I kind of bought a mini mining rig cheaply off of eBay, so stay tuned and subscribe to see that upcoming video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment on your experience with this, and Have a nice day.